I think we have covered a lot of things around breastfeeding, you know, the challenges, the stories, the experiences, and some expert opinion also. But which brings me to a rapid fire kind of summary questions, जिसके usually लोगों के दिमाग में ये होता है. तो मैं कुछ rapid fire questions पूछती हूँ और आप दोनों yes no जवाब दे सकते हैं.
Yes.
तो पहला सवाल, children who are breastfed have stronger immunity, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Unanimous है. Children who are formula fed tend to be overweight.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Obese mothers have issues with breastfeeding.
No.
No.
Scientific जवाब दूँ?
Yes.
Yes. Scientifically, yes. People who have obesity do tend to face some problem towards initiation and continuation of the breastfeeding because you know hormones and all are related, but not all of them. But ये एक scientifically proven है. The next one, if you have a C-section, you will have problems with breastfeeding. Yes or no?
No.
If you have a premature baby, you might have problem with breastfeeding.
Yes.
Good. It is easier to initiate and continue breastfeeding for the second child. Yes or no?
Very easy.
I don't know, बस you as a mother you are better prepared. बच्चा का तो केस अलग हो सकता है, डिलीवरी अलग हो सकती है.
Okay. The next one, you need to feed water separately to an exclusive breastfed child. True or false?
Till 6 months, no.
No. Yes. Till 6 months. No.
You can smoke or have alcohol without impacting breastfeeding. Yes or no?
No.
कोई minimum limit है क्या?
limit होती है.
Okay.
After 6 months.
You should not breastfeed if the mother is sick. Like if you yourself are sick, you should not breastfeed.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No. I mean,
You can feed
can
the
feed your child even if you are sick.
sick.
So there are only few contradictions.
Yes.
तो सिर्फ HIV positive
Yes.
and some virus screening जो हमारे कंट्री में वो वाले वायरसेस तो है भी नहीं. सिर्फ वो मदर्स जो होती हैं वो breastfeed नहीं कराना चाहिए.
But
उनको.
I heard this like if a mother is suffering from fever because she take medicines तो उतना देर नहीं
maximum
नहीं
medicines
दे
are
सकते.
breastfeeding friendly, or you can ask for those.
Yeah.
Plus
But I
the
think you need to
infection.
consult a doctor before
Yes.
taking any medicine because
Yes.
I heard
Is it
this.
true?
I got sick twice or thrice. So you know I used to call the gyno that I can do this or not.
तो सबसे पहले इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ये है कि there are certain medications which will have interactions with your breast milk. तो
Yes.
सबसे पहले कुछ भी मेडिकेशन लेने से पहले आपको आपके डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट करना है. वो
It's a
ओके
very
कहे.
important point I believe. It's very
Yes.
important point.
और वो ओके कहे फिर आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द मेडिकेशंस
Yes.
डोंट इंटरैक्ट बट देयर आर मेनी मेडिकेशंस दैट इंटरैक्ट. अब ये लिस्ट आपको तो पता नहीं है तो डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करके उसको पूछ के ही आप लीजिए. Brings me to the next question. You should not breastfeed a baby if the baby is unwell. True or false?
False.
False.
Yes, of course. You should not breastfeed a baby if you have loose motions.
No.
False.
No.
You should not breastfeed a baby if the baby has loose motions.
और जरूरी है.
Exactly. ये बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो घर पे जो बुजुर्ग होते हैं वो भी कि नहीं बच्चे को दूध मत दो उसका पेट खराब है. ये तो बहुत ही कॉमन सा एक होता ही रहता है. Right?